Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you're watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. And those who don't know, I run the channel Tashify, and where I posted a video about lifestyle in Sweden and quite practical information about life in Sweden for those who are new in Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden. Most of my contents are in Urdu, but now I'm also posting contents in English because people ask me to do that. In my previous video, I have been talking about to guess the innovations which happened in Sweden. So Sweden, I have done a video, please go and watch that. That in such a in a country of only 10 million people, there are so many successful companies who have shaped the world, and they have made a big changes around the world. We have we have used those products in different scenarios. Let's move to the first one. You know, when we use this wrench, to screw or all this handiwork, when mostly in plumbing, so that adjustable wrench was developed and developed by a Swedish inventor. So it was in 1842. I really wanted to highlight, and that's why I'm doing this video, because this is really big, and that is called the pacemaker. You know, when people have heart issues, they implant the pacemaker. So the first pacemaker in the world was developed and was used in a surgery in Karolinska University in Stockholm. So this was a battery-driven pacemaker, and then it has changed the world in a way that all those people who has heart problem, they need a pacemaker, they have used some kind of battery-driven pacemaker, which was invented in Sweden. So, and then there is another thing which we all use around the world when we sit in a car, and those countries who are not using it, please do that, and that is a three-point seat belt. So when we are doing this, so 1 point, 1 point, and 1 point, that is called 3-point seat belt, which is in every car nowadays. And that was also the inventor was a safety engineer in Niels Bohlin in 1959 for Volvo. So they have that safety engineer has invented this 3-point belt, and it has been adapted by all the car manufacturers. Yeah, so this was a quick video. I just wanted to highlight the innovations from Sweden, again to motivate that. If someone is asking me in my videos that is Swedish schools are good, or is Swedish universities are good, or is the society and system is working, oh, I have heard that Swedish people are so slow in making a decision, they take so long time to finish the projects in Sweden. I just wanna highlight that it's not like that. It's a different way. In Sweden, things works differently. In my previous video, I have told you it's not Swedish people are taking a wrong or slow decisions. It's because the decisions are mostly made with the consensus of a team, of a project team. So if you like this video and learn something from it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also give me subscribe my channel, press this bell icon button, and stay tuned. I also come online and read your comments, and I also read your comments, answer your questions live when I am live on my YouTube channel. So please stay tuned. If you want to see me live and ask questions, please press this bell icon button so you get notification when I am live. Have a nice day. Bye bye.